Gusii.
Koiribia umanjo murebe tasini Ndizi TV ngo kwaregani atwimanya mangana Amayia asenchera yo wenge edietariane Dorcas Kemuma nani gonde no kwegenanga kwanyare ko twara epasaka ere engia nande enkanyeku tukubwatira nere Lydia Mose oyo kumanya gwetera asenchera yumenyero nere Sara mumanyi kwene kinga kwa Mario gine chibicha aho ikira asenchera yo wikirano. Kunyira na bogoto bwati awetera asenchera ye mitandao asensemo ya Facebook okotonyora buna Ndizi TV News digital ensemo ya YouTube no torebuna Ndizi TV News na boigo ase website tonyomna www.ndizitv.net Amayia ya Chinsa Ikomi nigo ato chakera kurase county ya Kisii ase skuru yoboroso ya Precious Hope eyogotoka imeye county ya Kisii nigo bono ya nyorire obubui wechigosoricho okwegia echo nyachigendrete imeye county ya Nyamira ase banyorera egekombe ase ensemo eria manyakaine buna narrative ase barenge kogosoria nechiskuru chinde ase bono abanyora bare ababui amaiga yogokora omukia ase skuru eyo nigo bono barachi koimokireria erieta ria Nyanza ase ensemo ye gosese ensemeria ya nationals ase bono barachi ko chaka chigosoria cho imeye county ya Embu echo chirachi gochaka chitariki 52 omutinyo yiga okane omwako yo obwechibibire nemerongibire nanye.
It is 2024. Best. This. It is nominated by the Kenya Cultural Center. And it is written. Best narrative. Icona details. Icona details.
Now you can open it. You can magnify.
So that is what it is.
The festivals were held at
Abanyivensemo ya kirano eyogotoka imeye wodi ya Riana ibunge ya Bonchari imeye county ya Kisii nigo bono bimurunganire okuborwa gwestima ase egekegetambe ase ekinyorekyo gya kirano ase bono batebina kubwatekana no kuborwa kumuriro wechinguru ase ensemeyo nigo kwaireire obosaria komentekana ase ensemeyo ase bono bamuganire omubunge Bonchari Charles Onchoke wesonania no gukora chando yo kuborwa gwe estima.
Alice was James korwa kerano
iga tobwate mechando yestima eibaga bichoire para iga ibigo toita botuko muna tokorwe chiro twanyorana etokominyokibu twaminyokiba kachinyomba twasinywe stokonda tobwate stima
tongo saba omweshimiwa ito nchoke eturasoma kurutu ya yete twabere gesunde mono na ege twabere gesunde mono oboibo ichoire maiga lero sikuisi okorusuku bakanyomba gwaitwa gwakenyani gwa mweguna abantu bakenyani gwakobe estimate iyo buna bonige sai oibago biche gochikwekana egari nsa kwataki gwatukuchiro motaroime igobona buna abasatu aso nochisimchide torimete echikwende byonsi bibyasinyire ekenyonsi abantu tosiegete chituka boniga abantu bayokore kwende aso mweshimiwa oro ikaransete manyene ekerono twakwate chikura chionsi pi nande buna abakasi bekerono igasore boniga torena kirogonye twasoma yekerono tonyago tumeko boibo sirali bawo biratanya gotoita
abeire nege connected sana ekero abanchari bakorera ngasima takoreti giteyo security ga yuka bamura boda boda bachandigete rero mbali gokora gasi paka saa moja okoba yoborabu igomurigeria steam transform yere goroga na bere nene sana nale koboria omweshimiwa onchoke koranche konya abanchari bagochorete bunita yabo lakini bono kwaba feriri ebinte ebyabere bikorekana ase bonchari uchakere itibo yabo ya itibo lyanya baro oche bakaliana bonchari okanone mechandere estima bwa
abamenyi bensemo ya Iranda nigo bono baganirie omubunge bwe ekitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi kubaroseria epara eyo ya Iranda asibate nanigo abanyakonda bakora emirimo asipare eyo batarakora emirimo emekirano nigo bono baganirie abanyakonda abo gwikirania emirimo yabo asibono bamurereire omubungo bo eyo kubonyora na kubaroseria epara eyo nakoba engiya asibono barireire bunakonye amagani abo tari gochi gwikiraniwa nigo bono barachi koira na para erio gokora ukorobekana
igotoroche amagosa akorekanete gaiga aseri tukoria igoro muna murigereti abaminto morojeri karabati bekirega bi karabati ribekire bobe riabe getubobe nonya kende gyo speaker okorekanaga muna bono omumuroito oyomo igacheterio katama kinakere abagete somotaro agaswari karabati rime akakwireme abali boda boda anga mbaigete bakamokonya
amaere pie pare korunya ko gotira gotirogoro yato chandi e pare kwanso monjini obegeta amagene miaka yaire gose ikomi obegete gotia gotinya mataru gabegete buya lakini bana bare tira maraba bachire kobeka nande para abana baito babunekire buna ntena arukurunya ko ngakiranse amogongo timbugati bono baki Rosalie para kento ya kabere e pare ya nyatie kupaka getare ya tebe tu kobe kwirera twaganyira kango kutore etale kobeko
omonjinio no nyekerto como kwando mweshimiwa munda kwa motomete tari gotorigereria abwata matarau nere tu akerte chikura
onjinio ire para ni gabwato bochancho bonge kyaro to como tenento mobore ke bwana ta korwa se pare ega tari goto face ni gago tamata banga ligyo mweshimiwa wana mweshimiwa ekena kitu abekira se TV njungo iranda tokonye omochando yoere no mochando yotori koera ngosime katora matoke pare ega agero
amara nande nusu
Togotigana nayo manju murera na gusika mutwe nigo ekiombe kiri kya banyagitari kya MPDU bono kya muri kyaririre eserikali kuigwa ebirero byabo kagukwana omoteneri gusomori kyo manene bwe kiombe kyo David Atela nigo atemna konye serikali terigocha koire koikirania amagani abo na baraboti barigochi koiranira mirimo yabo asibono batena nigo barachi kogendera no mugiro obwe mirimo yabo igaya nigachire chingaki abanyagitari bobongo baganirie serikali kwene kingangwa gachire chinyagitari cha chikurigeria amongo ase chikaunti chonsi emerongene na isano na ibere eligo konya gukora umuchando obwebirengera lyo gose muchando obwa mongo oyo ororekanire koba umuchando munene ase abakenya asinsito ya Kenya.
Not only in Kenya but everywhere, that when somebody is a student, they are normal members of the society. When they go to medical school, they're still members of the society. But when they become doctors, then people believe that you have some divine incarnation in you that make you now not a member of the society, because they expect you as a doctor not to be sick. Because if you tell somebody you're sick and you're a doctor, they ask, how can a doctor be sick? With all the place where you work is the hospital. Therefore, they will not give you medical insurance. They expect you as a doctor, because you have a calling, you should not be worried about the fuel to take you to work. You are called to work, whether you walk to work, whether you use a bicycle, whether you use a motorcycle, you have been called to work. And therefore, nobody will care how much transport allowance you have. Because you are a doctor, the society does not expect you to be broke and not to be able to pay your rent. Because you are an icon in the society. They believe you are the...
Waziri o Public Service Moses Kuria niga temna niga arachiwetuma idio kwene kinga omorai gwekiama kia ODM Raila Odinga onyorire obobui gwekirugo kia obo nyakirugo wa East nyakirugo wa Africa Union Commission asikiria temna niga arachikogendera kumusira nabo igo kumwakira eko ase orogongo rwa Africa nabo igo niga temna niga okubwa kwa Odinga korachikoba no kubwa kwa bakenya bonse ni goboiga barai o bagendete kumusira Raila Odinga aso kuboria obonyakirugo obwa orogongo rwa Afrika.
Rafiki yangu baba Raila Odinga akipata kazi ya hiyo chairman ya AU ni Kenya imepata ama ni Somalia? Raila Odinga ni Mkenya ama ni Msomalia? Sisi tutashukuru vile tunasherehekea kwa athletics kwamba Mkaleji ameshinda. Sisi tutakuwa tunaangalia baba. Hata mimi nikitembea huko duniani nauliza, do you know where I come from? Do you know I can go to Raila Odinga? Yeah, nitaenda with pride all over kwa sababu ni mmoja wetu.
Me what I know, every patriotic Kenyan wants to look at how to improve the lives of Kenyans. Hapo ndio baba tu saingine anakuanga. Wale watu saingine hawajui kuinterpret because amengangana lakini saingine hajapata, unapata he again embraces. He says the country is bigger than all of us. Na tunasukuma mbele. So hata hiyo vile mnasaidia baba kwenda AU kama serikali ya Kenya, mimi nimesema is our patriotic duty.
No services in hospital, doctors are on strike. Please tell him sasa atokelezee aite madaktari.
Mugavana we kaunti ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti ni gobona borire serikali oika ange abanyagitari erio kwigwa ebirero byabo kaukwana asensemeyo ni gobona tebna nigo abana inchi bagendete gochandika ase chinyagitari asikiria tebna serikali gochamo kubwatana na abanyagitari na gukora omochando yo ni gora chigokonya abakenya bange abo bagendete gochandika ase chinyagitari ao emergency.
They had not been promoted for some time. We talked and we agreed, and I went and I gave them promotion. So what I can just request the national government and us is just to engage on talks, yeah, and let there be give and take. You know, it cannot just go one side. Let the national government negotiate also with the doctors, and give and take will also make us move forward. Yeah, our people are suffering. People are suffering, and it is just not fair.
Abarandia kurua chikanisa nigo baborire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza okania ibango gocha ase abakenya asikiribate naniga abakenya bange bagendete gotwara omochando manene ase okonyorera engeria kirarituko na sigo okomentekana kwebango nigo kwarentire omochando manene ase nene batari konyara obogima bwabo boka nigo bono baganirie serikali korigereria amagima ya abakenya abagendete gochandika igoro yo komentekana kwebango asense anene ase ebintu buna chindagera echo chigendete okina amagori.
People are suffering because of the high tax. So we are asking the government that they may be able to consider the people that they call hustlers, the people that they call mamamboga, that they may be able to reduce the tax so that the prices of things, most of the normal commodity, to be able to go down. Ministry of Health, together with the leaders, that they may be able to come together and reason together with our doctors so that they can be able to go to work, back to work. Now, the reasoning together does not mean that the doctors may win or maybe the government may win, but we want a win-win situation.
So I would like to appeal to all of us, those in leadership, that as you eat well in the comfort of your homes, there are thousands of Kenyans who are starving. There are thousands of Kenyans who cannot take their children to school. Please. And yet we say we don't have the money. The money is not there. And yet on the other hand, we see theft of public funds all over. If that money can come on table, it will be used to relieve the people of Kenya from their economic misery, from their social misery, and even from their political misery.
Mwanju muriaria oyonoro mwerio bwa mangana maya senjera yobenge kendra kureta sene Ndizi TV erwe somie na kwegokya na kwemanya amange eretaria ne Dorcas Kemuma na ni gotobatana nere Lydia Mose oyo kumanya asenjera yemanyerio nere sara mumanye oyina kingamarige ne chibicha awikera senjera yobekeranu twara epasaka erengia na boigona baganirie epasaka enkenunuko eregereria Ndizi TV asamuro biryogo cha sembeo asika getarieke ne chingero nere papa antivirus.